Please note that the outlook given in this video is based on technical analysis. These are strictly not trade recommendations. If you want to trade this view, please read the detailed index outlook article published in our website in the portfolio section. The link of the article is given below in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Nifty Prediction weekly video series. I am BL Guru. Last week we said that Nifty can hold above 17,700, but this view has gone wrong. Nifty has declined sharply below 17,700 and has closed on a weak note. The weakness in the global equity markets and the weakness in the Nifty Bank index has dragged the Nifty sharply lower. The overall sentiment is weak. We can see further fall from current levels. However, strong supports are coming up for the Nifty, which will need a close watch. Let us now look at the charts and see where the Nifty and Bank Nifty can find its support and how far can they fall from here. Nifty Bank Index has declined sharply, breaking below the key level of 41,000. It now has an important support at 39,200, which is the 200-day moving average, the black line on the chart. If the index manages to bounce from this 39,300 and 39,200 support zone, then we can see a corrective rise to 41,000 again. In that case, there is also a possibility for revisiting 42,000 levels going forward. But if we look at the weekly chart, the picture is more weak. There is room for the Nifty Bank Index to fall even up to 38,000 from here. So, for now, we will have to watch the price action in the 39,300, 39,200 region. Also, from a big picture, the Nifty Bank Index will have to rise past 42,000 to become bullish again. Contrary to our expectation, Nifty has declined, breaking below 17,700 last week. It has closed on a weak note. There is a support near current levels, but that is likely to break considering the sharp fall in the Dow Jones on Friday. Next important supports are around 17,370, the 200-day moving average, and then around 17,200. So, we may have to allow for a further fall to 17,300 and 17,200 this week. The price action thereafter is going to be very crucial. A bounce from the 17,300, 17,200 support zone can take the Nifty up to 17,500 and 17,600. In case Nifty breaks below 17,200, we can see the downside extending up to 17,000 and 16,900. For now, our expectation is to see the Nifty holding above 17,300 and 17,200 and rise to 17,500 and 17,600. The Dow Jones has broken its 33,500 and 34,500 range on the downside. We had expected the index to break above 34,500 and rise to 35,500. That view has got negated as of now. There is room for the Dow Jones to fall more from here and test 32,000 and 31,900 in the short term. Thereafter, we expect the index to see a bounce back move towards 33,000 and 33,500 again. In that case, 32,000 to 34,500 can be the broad range of trade for the Dow Jones for some time. In case, if the index breaks below 32,000, the downside can extend up to 31,000. Overall, the sentiment is weak. Nifty can fall to 17,300 and 17,200 from here. But however, from there, we can see a bounce back to 17,500 and 17,600. In case, if Nifty breaks below 17,200, we can see an extended fall up to 17,000 and 16,900. Nifty Bank Index has a strong support at 39,300 and 39,200. We have to see if it can bounce back from there. If it bounces from there, we can see a rise to 41,000. But in a bigger picture, the overall outlook is still weak for the Nifty Bank Index. It has room on the downside up to 38,000 to fall from here. Dow Jones has a strong support at 32,000. We expect the Dow Jones to bounce back from 32,000 and move up towards 33,000 and 33,500. In that case, Dow Jones can remain in a broad range of 32,000 to 34,500 going forward.
If you have any questions on F&O, please write to derivatives@thehindu.co.in. To know the outlook on specific stocks that you are holding and get advice on whether to book profit or hold it or buy more, write to techtrail@thehindu.co.in. For any queries on mutual funds, email to mf@thehindu.co.in. For any questions, clarifications on investments, personal finance, write to blportfolio@thehindu.co.in. To get more insights on investments, personal finance, stocks and commodity picks for short and long term based on technical analysis as well as F&O strategies, subscribe to BL Portfolio section from the link that you see on your screen.